Welcome back to channel. Today, we're diving into all the buzz surrounding the highly anticipated iPad mini 7. It's been nearly 3 years since the last mini was released, and with the 6th generation still hanging around, it's definitely time for an upgrade. Rumor has it that the new mini might be coming as early as October 2024. So what exciting features can we expect? In this video, we'll explore the latest speculations, potential upgrades, and maybe even some new colors. Let's see what the future holds for our beloved little tablet. Let's get into it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative, and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. First up, let's talk design. The iPad mini 6 introduced that sleek, boxy look that we now see across the iPad lineup, so it's safe to say that the 7th generation will likely keep this trendy aesthetic, but with a twist or two. Now, what about colors? The current mini comes in space gray, starlight, pink, and purple. Rumors suggest Apple might be feeling adventurous and could introduce new colors inspired by the iPhone 16 palette. Think black, blue, green, yellow, and pink. Imagine how stunning that black looks against your coffee stains. But remember, folks, this is all speculation for now. No guarantees here, unless you count your guess about how long your phone will last before needing a charge. Now let's scroll onto the display. If you've experienced the infamous jelly scrolling effect on the Mini 6, you're not alone. It's like a roller coaster ride, but not the fun kind. The good news? The iPad mini 7 might come with an upgraded display controller to smooth out that scrolling action. No more wobbly. And while we probably won't see an OLED display just yet, there's chatter about a possible 120Hz refresh rate that's smoother than my dance moves at a wedding, just saying. Now let's focus on the cameras. Historically, iPads are known for their photography prowess. But we're in 2024 now. It's time for an upgrade, right? The Mini currently sports a 12-megapixel rear and front camera, but whispers suggest it might bring in Apple's photonic engine to improve low-light photography. If that's true, we can finally take decent selfies in dimly lit restaurants without needing to turn on the flash and scare everyone. We're also hearing rumors about ProRes video recording and even portrait mode, so you might finally be able to capture that perfect Instagram shot without needing a DSLR. Now let's talk storage, because 64 gigabytes just isn't cutting it anymore. Seriously, it's like bringing a toothpick to a buffet. We expect Apple to boost the base storage to 128 gigabytes. And how about some extra RAM too? Moving from 4 to 8 gigabytes would definitely help with multitasking. Imagine switching between apps without your mini begging for mercy. What about performance? The iPad mini 7 is rumored to pack the A18 chip shared with the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. That's a serious upgrade. Just don't expect an M-series chip. We're not quite there yet. But who knows, by 2026, maybe we'll have chips that can cook breakfast too. Additionally, we are expecting support for Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, so you'll be cruising at lightning speed, connecting to your gadgets like a pro. Now let's chat about pricing. Apple has raised prices for their recent devices, so it's likely the iPad mini 7 could stick around the $499 mark for the Wi-Fi model and $649 for the cellular version. But if they decide to bless us with an OLED display, well, you might want to start saving those pennies. As for when we can expect to see this beauty, predictions are floating around that could launch in the second half of 2024. And for those dreaming of 2026, you might just have to wait longer for that OLED goodness. So there you have it, everything we know and what we hope to see from the upcoming iPad mini 7. Fingers crossed for an exciting reveal. If you're as excited as I am, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and share this video with your friends, especially those who still think the iPad mini is just a fancy coaster. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.